guys, today we are going to be doing Young, Dumb, and Broke. It's a fairly simple song. It's a total of about 6 chords. So let's go ahead and get started. So your first finger is going to go on the first fret, first string. Your second finger is going to go on the fourth string, second fret. Your ring finger is going to go on the second string of the third fret, and your pinky is going to go on the string right below that. So you're going to be picking with the first string, the fourth string, and the fifth string. You're going to pluck those all at once, and you're going to slap right after that. So it's, and then you're going to move to a D minor. So your first finger is going to be on that last string. Your second finger is going to be on the second fret, fourth string, and your ring finger is going to be on the fifth string of the third fret. And you're going to move all of your plucking fingers down one string. And then you're going to do a C. You're going to put your first finger on that fifth string, first fret, your second finger on the third string of the second fret, and your ring finger on the second string of the third fret. And then you're going to pluck on the second string, pluck on the fourth string, and pluck on the fifth string. So that's going to stay the same for the intro, which you play twice, the verse, the chorus, the second verse, and then you're going to go into your bridge. So it's a D minor and just an A7. So you already know your D minor. And then you're going to go into an A minor 7. So your first finger is going to be on the first fret, fifth string, and your second finger is going to be on that third string of the second fret. You're going to pluck on the second string and the fourth string and the fifth string. And then right back into F. Alright guys, I hope that you were able to learn from that. If you have any questions or comments, just put it in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching.